Okay, so here we go. We're going to work on the 5-speed transmission. It's out of the 97 FLH. And I had originally sent it to Dragon Man to be worked on, but come to find out, they don't work on touring model transmissions. And I guess the difference is that when you have like a Softail or like a chopper transmission, it's like a single standing unit. Whereas with the touring models, it's the oil tank is kind of part of the unit. And in the Softails, the oil tank is separate from the actual transmission. It's a lot smaller. What we're going to do is take it all apart, and we are going to build it back up and replace anything, the needle bearings and anything else, any of the all the gaskets and everything. Make sure everything inside looks good. And actually, the transmission is easier to work on than the motor, if you ask me. But anyway, we're going to get started. We'll try to keep it short, and hopefully you can stick around to the end.
Is referring to God sends them a strong delusion of verse 11. As noted in the previous verse, the strong delusion, or literally the working of error, and it's something you quite often will find. You will find people talking about. That means that it was never of faith, because faith is what saves. If there's ever a point after your salvation that says you have to do something in order to prove you're saved or to keep being saved, then faith is excluded. Completely excluded. And this is what Paul teaches. This is what the Bible says. And that's the way it is. You do not have to do anything after the moment you're saved. What I'm talking about is this. I've heard that a million times, is that people they'll say that is a one-time deal. He couldn't have done anything. He was nailed to the cross.
We've got transmission rebuilt. Transmission completely rebuilt inside out. All new gaskets all the way around, inside and out. New bearings. And we also have the motor completely rebuilt. Bored out. Essentially a brand new crankcase. This motor right now is better than new. Actually better than new. So S&S oil pump, and yeah, it's all ready to go. Getting ready to start reassembling everything now. So thanks for watching, and next video we'll start reassembly.